Hey folks, today we're going to make a MX Linux Live bootable USB drive. We're going to use Rufus today to accomplish this. Okay, select the USB drive under Device, and you're going to have to go to Boot Selection. You want disk or ISO image. I've already downloaded the MX Linux ISO. This happens to be version 23.6 at the time of this recording. Okay, select Open. Then you're going to go back and you're going to select GPT. Only option here is UEFI. Everything else looks okay. Now select Start. You want to write in ISO image mode. Click OK and click OK once again. And let it go. Okay, it's done. All you gotta do here is click close and eject your USB drive, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.